and are the fastest land animal in Europe. Although hares and their close cousins rabbits look quite similar to rodents, they in fact belong to a separate group of animals known as lagomorphs. The key difference between them is that rodents have 2 incisors in their top jaws and lagomorphs have 4, with 2 smaller peg teeth hidden behind their main front teeth. Brown hares are not native to the UK and were first introduced around 2,500 years ago, at a similar time to when chickens were first brought to this country. One farmland animal that is native and has been here since long before then